Hi, I'm Jeff Tackney.
I'm Jen Tackney.
And we're
TeamTackney.
So what are we talking about next, Jennifer?
Next, we're talking about special assessments on your property taxes.
That sounds special.
It is so special. So, do you kind of want to broaden our what a special assessment is, Jeff? I also have a bonus. I have a bonus too.
No, go ahead. You can.
Okay, I'm so excited to tell you what a special assessment is. So, a special assessment on your property tax is typically voted in. The two that I can think of right now, the city of Garden Grove, they're pretty much all voted in by the city council. So, in the zip code of 92845, city council voted to allow our trash, our Republic Services trash bill to be on the property taxes. So instead of getting a monthly or every 45 days trash bill, it's actually on the property taxes of every property when it's purchased. So that's a special assessment that is in Garden Grove, as well as Measure O. So Measure O, the city of Garden Grove voted, and that is an extra special assessment that helps the city with, and they have meetings that they talk about where that money is going to. A lot of times it's police officers and different portions of the city where those extra funds go to. And it's some amount of cents on there, but it's on the property tax bill. And your ambulance, fire, utilities, streetlights, all of that is also on the tax bill as special assessment.
Special assessment.
So how do you find out the tax bill? What you do is you take the property that you're buying or the property that you own, the APN number, and you go onto the Orange County Tax Assessor's website, you put in that APN number, and then you will have this year's current tax bill without what is outstanding, what is owed, and it'll break down that entire tax bill for you. So you can see what special assessments, if any, are on your tax bill. Now, what about the bonus?
What? There's a bonus?
There's a bonus!
What's the bonus?
Mello-Roos.
Ooh, Mello-Roos.
What is Mello-Roos, Jeff?
Mello-Roos.
It's like you're taking your real estate test all over again.
Is that where it's a special tax assessment that pays for public spaces like roads and parks and stuff like that?
Exactly. So what you're going to want to do when you're looking to purchase a house is you're going to want to make sure that there's no Mello-Roos, or if there is Mello-Roos, that you know how long it's going to be on your tax bill, because eventually that stuff like the roads and the common areas do get paid for and the Mello-Roos goes away. But you see Mello-Roos. We don't see it so much in North Orange County, Garden Grove, Seal Beach, Westminster, because we've been around since when, Jeff?
Oh, late 50s, early 60s.
Mm-hmm. When we turned the strawberry fields into houses, the orange groves into houses. All the farmland is now houses, so the Mello-Roos is gone. But down in your Rancho Mission Viejo, Ladera Ranch, places in the Inland Empire, you're gonna see Mello-Roos, and you want to make sure you know exactly how much your tax bill is going to be yearly. So you want to check that stuff out. So
that was your bonus.
That's our bonus. And so thanks for watching. I hope that you found this informative. We want to make sure that you know as much as we do about property taxes. And we have, if you want to place a comment below, we will email you any of the supplemental tax forms or explanation. You can meet with us for a consultation. We'll explain everything. So that's it. Let us know if you need anything. Awesome. Give us a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you subscribe down below. We look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye for now.